Sunshine Williams, founder of Empowerment for Battle Ministries. And today I want to invite you to our Tuesday night empowerment zone, which is this Tuesday at 7 o'clock p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And this event occurs every month at 7 o'clock p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time on the second and fourth Tuesday. And we are empowered and rich with the word of God. And this week we are going to learn how to reduce our enemy and get rid of the gremlin effect, because our enemy should not have authority over us. Our enemy should not be able to increase against us, but they should be decreasing, and they should be reduced. And we should always have power over our enemy. So our verse is going to come out of Proverbs chapter 25, verses 21 and 22. And we're going to learn how to reduce our enemies, because I was thinking about when God gave me this lesson to teach, I began to think about the witch and the Wizard of Oz, and how when they defeated her, they threw some type of solution on her and she was gone, period, reduced. And that's how it is when we use God's strategy and solutions against our enemy. They would not win the battle against us, but they will be reduced for good, and they will stay under our feet, and that's where they belong. And I was thinking about the book of when Joshua went out to war with and Achan took some from the enemy camp, and God removed his presence, and the enemy came up against them and defeated them. And it's kind of like a gremlin effect. If we don't use the strategy of God, the enemy powers will multiply against us and defeat us, and we cannot allow that. So therefore, we got to use God's strategy and solution against our enemies, because in Proverbs it says that if we do good towards our enemies, it will be like heaping hot coal over their head, and they will be reduced. They will be reduced just like the witch and the Wizard of Oz. So I want you to dial in Tuesday night at 7 o'clock p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and learn how to reduce your enemy, so that God's presence can stay with you in battle as you fight against different things, as you fight against this spiritual war. And our dial-in number is 605-475-4700, and our PIN number is 100-7063. And I will meet you there Tuesday night at 7 o'clock p.m. because we're going to reduce our enemies.